Welcome to Abyaas YouTube channel. Now that you have learned type 1 verbs, let's level up with type 2 regular verbs. These follow similar patterns, but with small changes you need to master. Don't worry, we'll keep it simple. Let's go.
So what happens in the case of second type? So even second type is a regular verb. So in the case of type 2 or second type, the root or stem verb will be ending with d, d, or n following, specifically n. So with n, this rule is applicable, and following consonant sound. If there is any vowel sound affecting this n, it will fall under first type. We got few examples, like just now we conjugated wonen, and I have given you learnen. So what is happening over here? So in this case, so what is root verb? This till here, won. This is a root verb. In this root verb, it is ending with n, but is it h will be silent within the word? Hence, this vowel sound is directly affecting this n. Hence, it is not following under second type. Getting it? So coming towards this one, this rn is like a combination in the case of learn. So if I take learn plus en, over here this e is affecting this both rn, learn. It's like a combination. This R sound is not dominated over here. Because of this one, it became a combination. Hence, it is falling under first type. If I give you example of second type, if I take rational, over here, clear cut, this E is affecting the CH. Hence, sha sound. After this is coming like individual sound. Reshnen. Reshnen. Getting it? This is not a combination now. It's like a separate. Resh, nen. There is a separation over here. But over here, in the case of lernen, is there a separation after a? No. Similarly, if I say hyof nen, there is a separation. Hyof nen. Getting it? These are like second types. So, and rest all, no need of this vowel consonant thing in this case. If it is T or D, it is second type. If I take, as you said, to work is arbeiten, which is to work. So over here, if I'm conjugating this, again I need to separate. So arbeit plus en. In this case, ish, same like first step, what I'll do, I'll take this root verb common. Ish, arbeit, do, add z, s, arbeit, wir, arbeit, ihr, Arbeit, Z and Z, Arbeit. Yeah. So the root of the structure again same. So over here, in the case of ish, just like first type, I'll be adding E. So what I did, I added E. In the case of do, now previously I added ST, but now if I add ST, sound over here to pronounce it, it will become difficult. Arbutus, you won't be getting exact sound. Hence, they added for the convenience E. So it will become R by test to make it easy. And the case of RZS, previously, if I say like won't conjugation, won't, it is sounding like a conjugated verb. In this case, arbeit. If I just add T over here, previously we added only T. If I just add T over here, what happens? It would again sound like without any conjugation. It doesn't make any difference. To just to know that it is a conjugated verb, we are adding arbeitet now. So in the first type, it was T. Now it will be ET. So we are just like first type, I'll be adding EN. So in the case of ER, what I need to add? Good. So ET. Again, the same logic. And Z, EN. Got it?
So, in this definition, you are saying that the root will be ending with DD, that I understood that, but or N following with consonant sound.
Yeah.
That particular.
So I gave you an example of this one, right?
So let's say that's ending with N.
Ending with N. So consonant, so N following consonant sound. So this is N.
Yes.
N following consonant sound. So this is a consonant sound.
So it's before the N, before the consonant sound. The consonant sound is before the N.
Exactly. So yeah, N is following consonant sound.
Okay.
Got it?
I thought like
No.
later on that. Okay.
Consonant sound is not following N, but N is following
N
consonant.
is following that. Okay.
Got it? So yeah, can you conjugate now Hofnen, which would mean to open?
So in that here C S, that's a small s, and here C is also small s, but they go.
Yeah. But the conjugation is different.
Yeah, then how do we differentiate? Like if let's say if I'm writing something, both will be C.
So depending on the context. So let us assume if we both are speaking about her.
Okay.
So we know that we are speaking about her. Hence we'll be using Z, third person.
Okay, so let's say she's working, then okay, then that's not
And when we are conjugating, let us assume you don't know about whom I am talking about. I just say Sie arbeitet heute. She is working today. It would mean she works today. Sie arbeitet heute. If I say Sie arbeiten heute, they are working today.
They both sound similar, right?
Yeah. So Sie arbeiten heute. If you observe the verb, Sie arbeiten heute and Sie arbeitet heute.
Okay. So with the verb, you're able to differentiate.
Exactly.
The reference. Okay.
So if I'm telling you that Sie arbeiten heute, you're already working and you know that. So, and specifically, I'm not asking you. Means that is not formal you, isn't it?
Correct.
So that's how they differentiate. Initially, I was in this dilemma also. How do they differentiate and all? But yeah, when you start using the language, you'll understand the difference. I forgot important verb in the case of first type, that is gain. What is gain?
Go.
To go. So now you got 16 verbs to conjugate.
Let's say if the verb is ending with E.
So verb is ending with
The word is ending with E. Let's say then how are we going to write?
Like I said,
so over here, is it ending with E?
No, here it is not. Let's say Kate. There is no verb
In English, it is a verb, yeah.
Yeah, it is a verb. So how do we write?
So most of the characteristic of German, if you observe carefully, the most of the verbs are ending with en normally. And if you're looking towards the root verb,
Yeah, I'm saying the verb is ending with
so if the root verb is ending with these things, that then it is only second type. Other than that, happily you can go with first type. But if we go towards the third type now, so yeah, you conjugated Höfnen. I'll give few more verbs to conjugate in the case of second type. So if I say begleiten, to accompany, begleiten. So antworten, to answer. I have given, even I forgot important verb in the case of first type. Antworten is to answer. Then what is to question? Fragen. Fragen has first type of conjugation. Fragen is to ask or to question. So antworten is to answer. Raten is to suggest. Bilden is to build. Rechnen is to calculate. Reden is to talk. Warten,
it's stated.
Reden is to talk.
N is not following the consonant sound. Right?
Yeah, we are separating, but it is ending with D.
Okay.
Root verb.
Okay.
To wait. Finden is to find. Hey, so I got another first type of verb when I have written to find. That is suchen. When do you find? When you search. To search. So warten, finden, begleiten. Kosten. But coming towards Kosten, there is no, I don't think so. There would be any verb conjugation, costen is to cost. I can't say like I cost, you cost, they cost. We can say they in the sense of any like pet animals, living things and pet animals at that time, they cost this much. We can use that. Or something, any non living thing which is in plural form, they cost something. So in that case, most probably it is like the third person singular conjugation, costet. So no need to conjugate completely. Same goes with regnen. In the case of regnen, it is ending with n after a consonant sound. Regnen, to rain. Again, there is only one possible conjugation, that is s regnet. It is raining. That it is in that sense. That's it. More than that, you can conjugate. You can't say I rain, you rain.
Take your tasks and assignments seriously. Remember, learning a language is not about talent, it's about consistency. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join our free beginner series. If you are serious about learning German, check out our self paced and live courses at Abyaas Institute of Foreign Languages. Thank you.